a grammar lesson on modal verbs. So, a modal verb is a type of auxiliary or helping verb, also known as a modal auxiliary. Modals are used to express specific ideas like ability, intention, obligation, necessity, permission, and possibility. The most common modal verbs you will come across are can, could, have to, may, might, must, need, ought to, shall, should, will, and would. Let's delve deeper and see what each modal can express. Firstly, modal verb can. This can be used to express ability, permission, possibility, and requests, amongst other things. For example, she can speak 3 languages. Can I borrow your pen? It can get really cold here in winter. Can you help me with this? Next is could. This can be used to express past ability, polite permission, possibility, requests, and suggestions. For example, when I was younger, I could run faster. Could I leave early today? It could rain later. Could you please pass me the salt? You could try restarting your computer. Have to. This can be used to express obligation, necessity, advice, and persuasion. For example, employees have to wear their ID badges. I have to buy some milk. You have to try this restaurant. It's amazing. You really have to see this film. May. This can be used to express permission, possibility, probability, and requests. For example, may I use your phone? It may rain later. You may feel tired after the hike. May I have a moment of your time? Might. This can be used to express possibility, probability, and requests. For example, it might snow tomorrow. She might already be on her way. Might I ask you a question? Must. This can be used to express obligation, necessity, certainty, advice, and prohibition. For example, hikers must stick to the trails. You must wear a seatbelt. That must be your sister. You look alike. You must try this cake. It's incredible. You must not smoke in this area. Need. This can be used to express necessity, obligation, and lack of necessity. For example, you need to study harder to pass the exam. You need to complete this form before submitting your application. You don't need to bring any food. It's all provided. Ought to. This can be used to express advice, obligation, opinion, and recommendation. For example, you ought to see a doctor. You ought to help your friends. I think you ought to take the job. You ought to try the new restaurant in town. Shall. This can be used to express, offer, suggestion, future intention, and questions. For example, shall I open the window? Shall we go for a walk? I shall return before noon. Shall we begin the meeting? Should. This can be used to express advice, obligation, opinion, and recommendation. For example, you should see a dentist. You should complete the report by tomorrow. I think you should move to the south. You should try the vegan lasagna. Will. This can be used to express future intention, offers, promise, and predictions. For example, I will finish my book by Monday. I will help you with that. I will always stand by your side. It will rain later today. And finally, would. This can be used to express polite requests, hypothetical situations, past habits, offers, and questions. For example, would you mind helping me? I would travel more if I had the time. When we were kids, we would play outside for hours. I would be happy to assist you. Would it be okay if I left early? Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.